Hello, I'm Chief Pat Turner. In this video, we'll take a look at fire hose and nozzles. If you have an interest in this type of information, please hit that subscribe button for me and ring the bell so you'll be notified when I add new videos. And most of all, don't forget to like this video. That really helps us get more visitors. Firefighting is a perilous profession, and the ability to combat fires effectively requires not only bravery, but also the right tools and equipment. Among the most fundamental and indispensable components of a firefighter's toolkit are fire hoses and nozzles. In this video, we'll delve into the essential roles and characteristics of fire hoses and nozzles, which serve as the lifeline in the battle against blazes. Fire hose. Fire hoses are vital conduits for delivering water and other extinguishing agents to the heart of a fire. These hoses are meticulously designed to withstand high-pressure flow, transport significant quantities of water, and resist the rigors of firefighting operations. The primary characteristics and types of fire hoses are as follows. Attack hose. Also known as a booster line or attack line, this type of hose is designed for rapid deployment during interior firefighting. It is flexible and maneuverable, making it suitable for advancing into burning structures and suppressing fires close at hand. Supply hose. Supply hoses are intended for transporting water from a hydrant or a water source to a firefighting apparatus, such as a fire engine. These hoses are larger in diameter to accommodate higher water flow rates. Large diameter hose. Large diameter hoses, as the name implies, are larger in size and designed to provide massive water flow, often used in large fires and industrial settings. Key characteristics. Diameter. Fire hoses come in various diameters, with 1 1/2 inches and 1 3/4 inches being common for attack hoses, while supply hoses may range from 2 1/2 inches to 6 inches in diameter. The diameter determines the water flow capacity of the hose. Length. Fire hoses are typically available in standard lengths such as 50 feet, 100 feet, or 150 feet. Longer hoses allow firefighters to reach fires in various locations. Construction. Fire hoses are constructed with multiple layers for strength and durability. These layers often include an inner lining for water flow, a reinforcement layer for structural integrity, and an outer jacket for protection against abrasion, heat, and UV exposure. Couplings. Couplings are the connectors at the ends of the hose that allow for attachment to firefighting apparatus or other hoses. They come in various sizes and materials, including aluminum, brass, or polymer. Working pressure. Fire hoses are rated for specific working pressures, typically measured in pounds per square inch. The working pressure determines the force with which water is delivered. Maintenance. Proper maintenance of fire hoses is critical to ensure their reliability in firefighting operations. This includes regular inspections for signs of damage, such as cuts, abrasions, or leaks, as well as periodic pressure testing to verify their integrity. Hoses that fail inspections should be taken out of service and replaced to avoid compromising firefighting efforts. Fire nozzles. The fire nozzle is the business end of the fire hose, where water is discharged to extinguish fires. Nozzles play a pivotal role in controlling the direction, flow rate, and pattern of the water stream. Key features of fire nozzles include flow rate. Fire nozzles are designed to control water flow enabling firefighters to adjust the rate at which water is expelled. This is crucial for conserving water and effectively managing firefighting resources. Pattern control. Nozzles can disperse water in various patterns, including a straight stream for penetration, a wide fog pattern for cooling and protection, and adjustable patterns in between. Shut-off mechanism. Fire nozzles are equipped with a shut-off mechanism that enables firefighters to start and stop the flow of water quickly and precisely. Gallons per minute. The GPM rating of a nozzle indicates the volume of water it can deliver. Nozzles are available with various GPM ratings to suit different firefighting scenarios. Material. Nozzles are typically constructed from durable materials such as aluminum or brass to withstand the rigors of firefighting operations and resist corrosion. Applications. Fire hoses and nozzles are used in various firefighting scenarios, including structure fires. Attack hoses and nozzles are deployed to suppress fires inside buildings and other structures. Wildland fires. In wildland firefighting, hoses and nozzles are used to create fire breaks and control wildfires in natural environments. Industrial and hazmat incidents. Fire hoses are employed to combat fires and chemical spills in industrial settings. Vehicle fires. Hoses and nozzles are used to extinguish fires involving automobiles, trucks, and other vehicles. Rescue and search operations. Fire hoses can be used for search and rescue operations to provide a controlled water supply, remove debris, or access hard-to-reach areas. In conclusion, fire hoses and nozzles are the backbone of firefighting operations, delivering the life-saving stream of water that quells the destructive force of fires. These essential tools are carefully selected, maintained, and wielded by firefighters who risk their lives to protect communities from the devastation of blazes. The versatility and adaptability of fire hoses and nozzles make them indispensable components of the firefighting profession, ensuring that those who battle fires have the means to prevail. Well, that's it for this time. I encourage you to take a look at the courses on my website at chiefsclassroom.org. These entry-level firefighter test preparation courses are designed to complement each other as the student completes the curriculum. I look forward to seeing you in one of my courses real soon. Take care and be safe.